What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing well. In this video guys, I decided I wanted to use this lens that I basically haven't used for the last 4 years. The last time I actually used this lens was the last time I actually made a video about this lens. So the lens I'm talking about today is the Tamron 35 to 150mm. It's f2.8 to f4. Now I think this lens is really cool. Even though I haven't used it for a long time, I still think this lens is really cool. And basically the only reason why I haven't used this lens is I'm not really a zoom operator. I like my primes, I like my 24mm, my 35mm, my 85s, my 100mm. I love primes. I'm not a zoom operator, unfortunately, but using this lens the other day, doing portraits with it, I really liked it. I think I want to do more portrait sessions with this lens. It was a little bit easier to use than a prime. You don't have to walk back and forwards with a prime. But yeah, I think this lens is just really nice to use. It's actually light for the size of it. Easy to use, the zoom's really nice on it. But yeah, it is a really great lens. Now the reason why I made this video guys is basically I just wanted to use this lens. I hadn't used it for a long time. I wanted to do a portrait session with it. So me and my friend Jacob, we drove down to the Gold Coast. Jacob, Alter Egos, he helped me film this video, so shout out to Jacob. And also Maya, the model, she helped out with this video. She did an amazing job. The photos turned out really well. I loved how this lens worked and how the photos looked. But before we get into the video guys, in the comments, let me know, do you like this lens? Do you like this lens for portraits? Did you like how the photos turned out? Let me know. Also guys, check out my presets. They are on sale at the moment. They're in the description below, so check them out if you guys want to. Enough of me talking guys, let's get straight into the video. Let's go.